Continuing with their unflinching solidarity, TMC Meghalaya is taking active steps towards bringing the SSA teachers their long-awaited justice. As pledged to raise the issue to the centre on priority, Meghalaya TMC MLA George Lyngdoh wrote to the Cabinet Minister Dharmendra Pradhan demanding the intervention in the disbursement of pending salaries of SSA Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan teachers in Meghalaya. In the letter, TMC leader George B. Lyngdoh wrote about the harrowing situation of the SSA teachers since they began protesting on July 18, 2022. Their perpetual agitation has caused a massive disruption in the education sector, which needs resolution at the earliest. While the MDA government refuses to take the onus for the toils of the teachers, TMC has stepped forward with utmost solidarity. Expressing his concerns, TMC MLA George B. Lyngdoh questioned in his letter. Going by the media statements given by the government of Meghalaya, it is being informed that the Ministry of Education has been withholding the funds, and thereby we have a pathetic situation where the rights of our SSA teachers are being deprived. I want to understand the reason as to why the Ministry of Education has been withholding the SSA funds of Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, SSA teachers under the banner of Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan Schools Association continue with their indefinite sit-in demonstration under a toilet in the additional secretariat area. Countless teachers have spent nights on the streets. Earlier on Tuesday, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress MLA from Umroi, George P. Lyngdoh, met the aggrieved teachers on the protest site and consoled them. During the meet, SSA teachers cried inconsolably in front of the MLA. Yesterday, Richard Marak, Vice President Meghalaya Trinamool Youth Congress, met the protesting teachers at Tura Garo Hills. He said, "We are here to show our solidarity with our protesting teachers. We have seen what is happening in Shillong. The government needs to listen to their demands and needs to be responsible for the welfare of the teachers. We demand that this is done at the earliest." The much celebrated double-engine government has failed Meghalaya and its people. The SSA teachers were fed a hollow promise of Achhe Din, but the truth has come to light that the proxy BJP government only make promises for their electoral gains.